Hello friends, this is Anand and today I'm here with a video on Defy Gravity Turbo True Wireless Stereo Gaming Earbuds. So let's get started. So on the front side of the box the Defy branding is there and the model is Gravity Turbo, and these are the pictures of the earbuds. And on the bottom side the contents are given: one Defy Gravity Turbo earbuds, one user manual, one large, medium and small size silicone ear tips, and a warranty card. And it also has a Type-C charging cable with it. And on the side these features are given. It has a turbo mode which provides 50 millisecond of low latency, and it also has 4 mics inbuilt, and it has the Bluetooth version 5.1, and it also has the quick pair and connect technology, and it will give you a immersive sound experience, and the total playback is of 30 hours. And it has a bridge charge technology in which if you charge it for 10 minutes it will play back for 3 hours, and it has a Type-C universal interface, and the MRP is 2,999, and buy it from the link given in the description down below. So let's unbox this. So these are the earbuds. Let's keep them aside and let's see the other things. This is the user manual, and this is the 1-year warranty card. You can give a missed call on this number to activate your product's warranty. And these are the Type-C charging cables. So on the front side of the case the Defy branding is there, and these are the lines which provides it a better grip. And on the back side this is the Type-C charging port, and when you open the case you can see these are the earbuds, and these are the interactive lights which gives it a gaming look. So now let's see the earbuds. So these are the Defy Gravity Turbo earbuds. On the earbuds this is the Defy branding with a D sign, and these are the lights. To pair these earbuds you just have to open the case and you have to turn Bluetooth on your phone. You have to click on Defy Gravity Turbo and it will connect. So now let's test the sound quality of these earbuds. So now let's see how it will look when you wear them. So it will look like this when you wear them. It fits nicely on the ears and it won't fall off when you go outdoors while running or gymming. So this was the unboxing of these Defy Gravity Turbo earbuds. Subscribe my channel for more interesting videos like this. Meet you in the next video with something more interesting and helpful. Till then, bye bye. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to share it with your friends so that they also get all my interesting videos.